So guys, yes, you saw it right. I'm gonna cut in half my Yeezy 380 Aliens just to know what's inside or how thick is the boost that they put there, because it's too comfortable and I'm really intrigued how big or how large the boost they put into the Yeezy 380 Aliens. But before you get triggered or before you get upset because I'm cutting a pair of sneakers, let me just tell you that if you watch this video until the end, I will be giving away up to 4 Yeezy 380 Alien. Yes, not 1, not 2, not 3, but up to 4. But it all depends on you. So let's go. So guys, I'm not doing this video just to post or just to flex that I could cut in half a Yeezy Alien or Yeezy 380 Alien. I'm just doing this for educational purpose so that we all know what's inside or how thick the boosts are inside this 380 Alien. So yes guys, I have decided to cut this pair open. I've been telling this so many times that this is the most comfortable Yeezy ever that I've tried. So I really got intrigued and I really want to know how thick it is, because I was thinking with the Ultra Boost, it was really comfortable. But then when they released the Ultra Boost 19, it was way more comfortable. And they added 20% of the boost on that sneakers. So I want to know if it's the same with the Yeezy Aliens. So that's why I wanted to cut it in half for me to see and share it with you guys, for you guys to know as well how thick the boost of these sneakers. But guys, if you're interested to win one of these, because I'll be giving away up to 4 pairs of these sneakers on your shoe size, you better watch the whole video, because I'll be randomly dropping the mechanics of this raffle, this very, very special raffle on this video. So make sure you don't fast forward or miss any details if you really wanted to get a pair of these. But before we continue, please make sure that you've already liked this video, and of course subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, because that is part of our mechanics to give away these sneakers. So guys, it's been hard for me to decide whether to cut this pair or not. In fact, it took me, I had this pair for almost a month already, and I've been using this pair. I've been beating up this pair every single day. I've been using it since I bought it, and I think there's only 1 or 2 times that I didn't wear these sneakers. The rest of the days since I bought this, I've been wearing this. So that's why I think I've already beat it up. See, look, it's already worn out. So I feel like I've already maximized the use of these sneakers. That's why for me, it's okay to cut it open so that I could also give you the information and the details on what's inside of this boost. Actually, we're more concerned about what's inside here, because this is really amazing. It's very, very soft and comfortable. And just like what I said, I'm gonna be giving away up to 4 of these sneakers to any one of you guys all over the world, not only here in the Philippines, but all over the world, anywhere you are, US, Europe, Australia, Africa, anywhere in the world, as long as you're a subscriber of this channel, you watch this video, you like this video, and you follow the rest of the mechanics, and you get picked as the winner of these sneakers, then you will definitely get it, I guarantee. So guys, this is it. This is my Yeezy 380 Alien that I'll be cutting in half. But before that, I would like to take out the laces and the insoles so that it's gonna be smooth. So this is the insole, take it out, and I'm gonna take out these laces so that when we cut it open, it's gonna be easier, it's gonna be more smoother, right? So let me just take this out first. So guys, here it is. I took out the insoles, I took out the laces, and here's how it looks. Actually guys, you can wear these without the laces because it has so many holes, and it will just look like, you know, part of the design. So you don't really have to, unless you're looking like this, because you can see the line. However, if side view, you won't really see the difference. You can wear it without the laces because honestly the laces doesn't really do much. But anyway, you are here in this video to see what is inside of these sneakers and how thick the boost that they put on these sneakers. But before that, I've already mentioned earlier that you have to be a subscriber of this channel, number one. You have to like this video, number two. Make sure that you comment on this video your IG handle and your shoe size, so that we know your size when we try to get a pair of these if you win. So guys, moment of truth, here we go! Next mechanic would be follow us on our social media accounts. All the links will be on the description box below. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And also follow us on our Facebook community, which is L+S Fam. Again, all links will be on the description box below. So guys, it's all cut in half now. Here we go. So now we're gonna go back to the studio and talk about what's inside of this Yeezy 380 Alien. So guys, I'm back in the studio and now we're gonna discuss what we saw after we cut in half my 380 Alien, or my Yeezy 380 Alien. So let's do a comparison first. This is the Ultra Boost. So if we're gonna measure the boost that this one has, it's gonna measure at just over 1 inch. So it's 1 1/4 inch to be exact. 1 1/4 inch. That's the Ultra Boost. Now, if we're gonna measure the Ultra Boost 19s, so I'll measure from this end to up to the top. So it's gonna be like almost 2 inches, right? It's almost 2 inches from here to here. It's almost 2 inches for the Ultra Boost 19s. Now, if you look at these, if you're gonna measure it from outside, it's gonna look like 1.5 inches if from here to here. So that alone, it shows that Ultra Boost 19s have a thicker boost than the 380 Aliens. But then when I cut it open, here it is. Boom. This is the boost inside the 380 Alien, or the Yeezy 380 Alien. So now let's measure how thick the boosts are. So if you, it's just 1 inch. It's actually 1 inch. It's actually even thinner than the original Ultra Boost, which is this one. If you compare it, I'm not sure if you can see, but if you compare it, Ultra Boost is even thicker than the boost they use on the 380 Alien. Now, I haven't cut open any of my 350s yet. However, from what I can see, this one looks thinner as well, or at least the same size as the 380 Aliens. Now, that's a bit mind-boggling because how did Adidas do it? I've been telling you guys that the 380 Aliens has the most comfortable midsole ever compared to all the Yeezys. It's really amazing how they did it, because with that amount of boost and the comfort that you feel when you wear them, it's really amazing. So let's go back and check it again. It's just an inch of boost, but then when I was looking at it closer and analyzing how did that happen, I think the technology that they used here, especially what they did on the heel part, where it's like this, it's almost the same as the Zoom flies. If you know the Zoom flies, actually the heel is like this as well, which helps in terms of comfort while walking and running. So I think that and the type of rubber that they use to encase the boost is actually really good, because you see this rubber is really soft, it's really malleable, you can really squeeze it, and it's really easy to get squished. I think that is one of the reasons why it really makes it really soft. Plus, of course, the upper, this prime knit material is actually stretchy. You can see it's stretching. Of course, this area is more stretchier. It's like a garter in the ankle area, but this area is also stretchy. So it actually gives you a sock-like feel when you wear the 380 Aliens. This cushion over here that you can see acts as a pillow to your heel, which is actually 1 centimeter, at least 1 centimeter thick. So it's really puffy, and it adds on to the comfort when you wear these sneakers. So that's the reason why I think the Yeezy 380 Alien is one of the most comfortable Yeezy ever. But anyway, I mentioned earlier that I'll be giving away up to 4 of these sneakers to 4 of you guys. Yes, that can happen if only you will follow the last mechanics, which is sharing this video. Yes, you have to share this video, guys, so that we could reach 100,000 views within 3 days, because that's the only way I'm gonna give the first Yeezy 380 Alien if we reach 100,000 views within 3 days. Now, I mentioned 4, right? If we reach 1 million views in 1 week, meaning December 19, at the end of December 19, then I'll be adding 3 more. So there's a total of 4 380 Aliens if we reach 1 million views in 1 week. So guys, it's up to you. If you really want to have a pair of these Yeezy Alien, which is really limited, I suggest you share this to everyone you know and ask them to watch this video, because if we reach those goals, then I'll be giving away 4 of these sneakers. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.